Hello viewers, welcome to Pebbles. Today we are going to learn new topic, that is abacus. Okay, it's a simple counting machine and counting device, and it's very useful for children by simple learning counting numbers with bright color beads. Okay, I will show you the abacus instrument and how to move the beads and count the numbers. Okay, let me enjoy, children. Today we are going to learn in a joyful manner how to move the beads by using abacus. Okay, I will show you I will show the instrument. And do you know the basic what is abacus and the rod type? Okay, first you have to understand what is abacus. I will show the simple this video is for preschool children from the age level up to 4, 5 and 6. Okay, 4 to 7 age level children are enjoying for this using this device. By using how to use this device, I will show you the device. Okay, this is a mathematical simple abacus device. Okay, and each row, that is, it has 10 rods. Okay, how to move this to know, that is 10 rods, and by counting numbers, okay, you have to start from the bottom to up. Okay, this is a device. Okay, for 10 rods, this is count by, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. This is a abacus kit and it has 10 rods and each rod has 10 beads. Okay, this is a 10 beads abacus and this is a 100 beads abacus. This is called 100 beads because each row contains 10 beads. Okay, that is 10 rods. Okay, children, and each row contains 10 beads. Okay, so 10 into 10, that is 100. So this is called 100 beads abacus and which has bright colored beads. Okay, do you love, children? Because by simply you have to sliding the beads from right to left and you are knowing to counting, how to count the numbers and place the numbers. Okay, and this is called the 0 level. Okay, do you understand this? This is a 0 level abacus, that is no movement of beads here. Okay, do you understand this? For reference, because this is 1. Okay, you are moving in the ones place, you move just slide one number, this is called 1. Okay, and next one is a tens place and 100 place and it grows upward the up to next level units. Okay, first you have to counting simple counting by using this from the ones place. Okay, do you start? Okay, from this basic rod. Okay, I will show in the board for how to move, and do you understand what is basic bead movement of on abacus? Okay, let me see, that is, what is abacus? It is a simple mathematical device. Okay, I will show for single, that is only ones place. Okay, so I have to draw 2 beads. Okay, 1 and 2. So how do you say the number? How do you say the number? This is the answer, that is you say 2. Because ones place rod, it has 2 beads. Okay, do you understand? And next one, here, listen here, this is also ones place rod. Okay, this is ones place rod for O. O represent ones. Okay, listen here, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. How do you say now? Count the beads. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer is 5. Okay, do you understand? Okay, I will show you next example. This is also a ones place rod. Okay, I have to draw beads. Listen here. 4, 5, 6 and 7. So simply you have to count the beads and say the answer. The answer is 7. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So answer is 7. Okay. Do you understand? And next one. This also ones place rod. Okay. Listen here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. By counting this number, you have to say the answer. What is the answer? 4. Because 1, 2, 3 and 4. So answer is 4. Okay. And next, that is simple ones place rod. Okay. Here, listen here, there is no beads at all here. Okay, I didn't write any bead, I didn't draw any bead. What is the answer? There is no bead. You have to say 0. Okay, this is answer 0 because there is no beads on the rod in ones place. So, simply by moving abacus, that is moving beads on abacus, you have to count the numbers 4, 2, 5, 7 and here is 0. Okay. Next I have to show next that is next place, that is ones place. Okay, we have discussed ones place. And simply doing okay. Next we are going to learn that is two place, that is ones place and the tens place. Okay, listen here. I have to draw that is ones place and tens place. Okay, draw two rods. Okay, by simply drawing here 3 beads and here 1 bead. So what is the answer now? First count the beads in ones place. First you count the beads on first ones place rod. Say the answer 3. And the tens place rod, it has only 1 bead. Okay children, do you understand now? This is ones place and this is tens place. First you should write the beads, number of beads in ones place only. Okay. So count the beads and write down the answer is 3. And next you have to count the beads on tens place. That is 1. So answer is 13. Do you understand? Okay. Let me move on. Next example. Simply that is ones place and tens place. It has 2 rods. Okay. I have to draw. Okay. Let me start to count. First count the ones place number. Okay, ones place rod, it has 1, 2. So, answer is 2. And next you have to count the beads on tens place. So, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. You have to write the number. What do you say now? This is 52. Okay, so this is a simple counting method, and let me know how to form a pattern in abacus, that is counting by 2s, counting by 5s and counting by 10s. Let me enjoy with abacus. Okay.